Alright, so for the last one we're going to do a little positive and negative sweep using this guy and this guy. So let's go ahead and pull them out over to here. Kind of get them close to where we're working. So the first thing we're going to do is split this guy in half. So I'll split it. And let's make half of it. We'll join that. And then we'll offset it to get that sort of profile, right? So get that guy. And we're going to want to sweep it along here. So I'm just going to go to arc 3-point, and let's just do 1, 2, 3, and I'll do it again because I'm going to need this one anyway. 2, 3, and then I'm going to draw a line perpendicular to both of these arcs that I can align the profile with. So I'll just come over here to line perpendicular from curve, come in here and do that guy, do it again, come in here and do that guy. So I got two curves that I can use to line up my profiles with. So I'll pull this guy over and then let's rotate this up. Boom, there we go. And then let's move this. This one we're going to want to move over from here to here. And then we're going to rotate it so it is oriented perpendicular to our curve. So from here to there. And then we can sweep it. So I'll pick this guy and this guy. Ooh, that's pretty crazy. Let's see. I think I did it backwards. Let's pick the rail first and pick the profile second. There we go. And then pick the rail first and the profile second. And click OK. And then we'll just cap those two. Cap the inside one, cap the outside one, and Boolean difference from that. We'll delete that. So now we've got that. And then I'm going to pick this guy and extrude it up to here, and let's cap that. So that's a solid. Now I want to, let's hide this guy. What I want to do is I want to reverse this and do a revolve and subtract that revolve as a negative. So to do that, let's just hide that. Let's just hide this. And we don't need this guy anymore, so I'll delete this. Then I'm going to rotate this profile perpendicular to this other curve here that we want to use. Whoops. So let's rotate it. This guy from here to here to here, and we actually want it facing the other way, so I'm going to rotate it again about the midpoint from there, and I'll just type 180 in there. And we also, this is the extrusion, it's going straight up, and we want to sort of push this into the extrusion, so I'm just going to draw a line from here down to there, and I'm going to move this profile in from there to there, so when I sweep it, it will give me a good negative cut out of that thing. So now I can sweep this guy. So I'll pick the rail and the profile and sweep that guy around, and let's cap it. And we can show the other, and what I want to do is I want to Boolean subtract from this that, right? And I can delete that. Now I'm starting to get sort of this cut out of there. Let's go ahead and open it up a little more, so I'll do a circle here, and let's extrude that curve from there maybe to the midpoint of there, and we'll cap this guy and we'll Boolean difference from this guy, that guy. Take a minute. It's a lot of math. And then let's just delete that. So we're starting to open that up. Maybe push this guy down a little bit. Let's see. Let's draw a circle there to there, and from there to there. And I think we'll probably want to include this in there, but we'll see. So let's draw a line from there to there, and let's split this guy with that guy. That guy with that guy. There we go. Got those guys split out. So let's delete this and delete this, and we'll join that and that. And maybe if we could go ahead and be a little sloppy about this guy, but so let's go ahead and delete that. Yeah, let's just go ahead and do this join this and this, and let's extrude that maybe down completely to there, and we'll cap that, and we'll Boolean from this that. Take a minute, and then we'll delete that. So we're kind of getting that piece down in there. We do have kind of this little guy right here that we could get rid of, but maybe I'll leave it. It's kind of like a little remnant. And then you can just go in and start deleting all the framework from what you had previously. Maybe even let's extrude this just for fun, right? Maybe extrude it down just a little bit to give us a base, and then cap this guy. Whoops. Right? So now you kind of have all of those different curves coming at you from different directions. Alright, so that's an example of that guy. Maybe we'll go over a network surface, but I think that's getting close to enough. Alright.